Good evening traders, welcome to 200forextips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 23rd of April 2019. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe it and do not forget to press the notification button so that you can get the latest updates from my side. Okay, now let's move towards the today's analysis, and I'm going to start the today's analysis from New Zealand USD. I have supplied the bearish trend in case of New Zealand USD from 0.66609 and 0.66382 was the target price, and guys, you can see the market throughout went down and it has hit the target price, and I congratulate all those traders who have taken the sell positions today on my recommendations. They must have collected up and ended up with profits. Okay, now let's talk about the USDJPY. Okay guys, the signal is on the way. I have supplied the bearish trend in the case of USDJPY. 111863 is the entry, and the market has taken a smaller U-turn today. And now if you look at the pattern, then USDJPY is going down, and if it continues to go down like this, then it can reach up to 111691. So overall bearish expectation on USDJPY. Now let's talk about USDCHF. So guys, you can see you know that it was getting strong from many days. I have supplied the bullish signal from 101685 and 102170 was the target price. And guys, right now you can see on USDCHF the market hit the target price with no problems. Right from the entry, this candle was closed above the entry, and then after that we have seen very strong bullish trend, and finally we have ended up with profits. Okay, now let's talk about the EURJPY. A strong trade is taken on, just a second please. A strong trade is taken on EURJPY today with a bearish expectation from 125792 and 125108 is the target price. However, you can see we have already a big drop from on EURJPY. The market has taken a smaller U-turn, and then finally the scalper has provided us with a sell signal, and then market has went down. At last, I'm going to talk about the final pair of the day, which is AUDJPY. AUDJPY with a weaker expectation with a bearish trend from 79591 and 78890 is the target price. And guys, you can see that entry is already broke, and from many hours AUDJPY is going down, and we have also hit that signal with no problems. Okay, now let's explain about the trading system. So guys, I'm just deleting the trend line so that we can explain about the trading system. So guys, whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary, like look at this pattern. This is the lower red boundary. This says that this is the oversold conditions. So whenever you see that the market is making the upward trend from the oversold levels, then you can buy the pair. Like this is the good time to buy New Zealand USD because it has already gone down, and now you can see it's pumping up. So that's a good time to buy the pair. And now if we look at the USDCHF, then you can see that today the market has went up and it touched the top red boundary, and now it's getting the rejection. So it can be a good time to sell the pair as per the trading system. Moreover, look at the monitor, it is also turned into the red color, which means a sell signal on USDCHF. So guys, this is how we use the trading system. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forextips.com. Please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.